If you're one of the 91% of organizations that uses Agile to link product and service delivery execution to strategy for better balance, speed, flexibility, and efficiency. You've likely tried to overcome implementation challenges by using something like the Scaled Agile Framework, or Lean Portfolio Management, also known as LPM. Lean Portfolio Management is widely used to systematically prioritize features and portfolio investments in a way that optimizes value and speed of delivery. Today we are going to show you how Expert Choice Comparion can complement your existing LPM process for better backlog prioritization. If you are also interested in learning how Expert Choice Comparion can help you improve two other areas: value stream budgeting and strategy formulation, don't forget to like and subscribe to this series. SAFe and LPM emphasize on effective backlog prioritization as the key to delivering value sooner. By focusing on an agile method or formula called weighted shortest job first, or WSJF for short, organizations use WSJF to sequence work in a backlog with the goal of achieving maximum economic impact. Expert Choice Comparion enhances the WSJF process in 5 specific areas. The end result: your backlog is better aligned to strategic goals, can be optimized more quickly, can easily be rerun on the fly, allowing your team to deliver results more quickly. You also get more accurate measure of business value and job size, with visualizations for your senior leadership showing you how you can maximize value, capacity utilization, minimize waste, and visually connect execution to strategy. Here are the 5 ways Expert Choice Comparion improves backlog prioritization. 1. Looking at the weighted shortest job first equation, we can see that cost of delay is made up of business value, time criticality, and risk reduction or opportunity enablement. In the Expert Choice model here, you can see that we have included those elements. The first way Expert Choice Comparion improves backlog prioritization is with better business value definition and measurement. This results in overall job benefit scores aligned to strategic objectives. In WSJF, business value is given as a hypothesis of what will best accomplish the ultimate goals or desired outcomes of the unit, team, or organization. To connect Agile or LPM execution to strategy, Expert Choice Comparion lets you break down business value into objectives that are easier for teams to accurately measure and prioritize, so that the jobs are scored against relevant objectives, resulting in overall job benefit scores that align to those objectives and connect execution to strategy. 2. We will talk about time criticality in a minute, but first let us acknowledge that LPM and SAFe do a good thing by requiring us to consider risk reduction and opportunity enablement as we prioritize jobs for our backlogs. That's important, but if we take a step back, it is clear that risk reduction and opportunity enablement are also business values, and if we measure them separately, as WSJF suggests, we are accidentally double counting their impact. Expert Choice Comparion provides a simple solution to this double counting issue. We move those elements out of the cost of delay section of the WSJF equation, because they are already evaluated within the business value part of the equation, where it has belonged all along. 3. Job size estimation is one of the most important parts of backlog prioritization, because accurate job sizing gives you a better prioritization and reduces waste. You cannot prioritize effectively if your job size estimates are off. Instead of direct assignment of sizes with planning poker or t-shirt sizing, you can derive accurate job sizes with relative paired comparisons in Expert Choice Comparion. 4. SAFe and LPM do a good job of identifying time criticality of jobs, but don't offer a good way to apply that information to backlog prioritization. The result is that WSJF can easily over-prioritize time-critical jobs that actually deliver little business value. Expert Choice Comparion allows us to still capture time criticality, but we move it out of the cost of delay part of the equation and recognize it as a scheduling constraint, where we can optimize time constraints alongside other custom constraints like project dependencies, resource constraints, funding pools, and more. If a highly urgent job has little business value, should it score as high as a high-value job with little urgency? Of course not. So we should move time criticality out of the cost of delay and incorporate it into the scheduling step. 5. Recognizing dependencies between and among jobs ensures smooth running iterations. WSJF does not address dependencies. How do you sequence jobs without addressing dependencies? When sequencing the jobs in a backlog, we should recognize dependencies between and among jobs to manage capacity constraints and maximize value. Expert Choice Comparion uses an optimizer to sequence your jobs. WSJF is intentionally simplistic because spending a lot of time and effort on estimates is considered wasteful, but spending time on estimates that are known to be inaccurate results in the misapplication of resources, which is even more wasteful. Thanks for watching.